evening. I am Muskan. Welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. Let's begin with the headlines first. Pakistan extended formal invitation to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to attend Shanghai Cooperation Organization meeting. IIT Delhi joint admission test for Masters 2025 registration window to open from 3rd September. 60 million Americans under alert as heat wave hits US Midwest states. Bring Kids Back UA urges release of all Ukrainian children detained in Russia during ongoing conflict. Moody's raises India's 2024 GDP growth forecast to 7.2 in 2024. FICCI organizes first edition of Young Leader Awards in New Delhi. Indian mixed compound archery team of Sheetal Devi and Rakesh Kumar sets new Paralympic record. Indian-Australian duo Rohan Bopanna and Matthew Ebden won men's double in opening match. Now, news in brief. Pakistan has extended a formal invitation to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to attend the upcoming Shanghai Cooperation Organization meeting scheduled for October this year in Islamabad. Addressing a weekly news briefing, spokesperson of Pakistan's Foreign Affairs Ministers Mumtaz Zahra Baloch said that Pakistan has extended invitations to all heads of government of SCO member states, including Prime Minister Modi, for upcoming Council of Heads of Government meeting in Islamabad to be held on October 15 and 16. The registration window for joint admission test for Masters 2025 to be organized by IIT Delhi will open on 3rd of September this year. Candidates can apply online through the JMA application portal for admission to various master's programs for the academic year 2025-26. The registration window will close on 11th of October. A heat wave brought record high temperature of US Midwest states this week, with more than 60 million people included in alerts over the conditions. An initiative launched by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, Bring Kids Back UA, has urged the release of all Ukrainian children detained in Russia during the ongoing conflict in the region. Presenting its first white paper titled Safeguarding Children from Forced Transfers and Deportation earlier this week, the Bring Kids Back UA task force called for an intensified international action in locating and safe return of all the Ukrainian children. Moody's Ratings, the New York-based global rating agency, has raised its real GDP growth projections for India today, indicating for a robust 7.2% growth in the financial year 2024, up from a previous estimate of 6.8% and 6.6% in 2025 and 6.4%. Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry FICCI today organized the first edition of Young Leader Awards in New Delhi. Addressing the event, Union Youth Affairs Secretary Meeta Ravi Lochan highlighted that the ministry is working to encourage young people to engage in learning with the industry and the importance of self-employment. At the Paris Paralympic, the Indian mixed compound archery team of Sheetal Devi and Rakesh Kumar set a new Paralympic record with a combined score of 1,399. The duo will head into quarterfinals as top seeds on the 2nd of next month. In the US Open tennis, the Indian-Australian duo of Rohan Bopanna and Matthew Ebden won their men's double opening match, defeating the Dutch pair of Robin Haase and Sandre Andes 6-3 and 7-5. The second-seeded Indian-Australian pair will face R. Kerbles and F. Korea in the second round today, with their sights set on the title. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Bharti News. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.